As software engineers, all love shiny new tools. New frameworks feel exciting. It's like unwrapping a new gadget at Christmas. But when you work with AI-assisted coding tools, it's often not so fun. Instead, the boring stuff, the tech we've had for years, suddenly becomes rocket fuel for our productivity. Here's the simple truth. AI coding agents perform best with languages, frameworks, and tools that have been around long enough to show up time and time again in their training data. They've seen Python, they've seen Go, they've seen C++, they've seen Django, they've seen Rails, they've seen React, they've seen JavaScript, they've seen it all 1,000 times. So when you ask the AI to generate code, or debug something, or design a workflow in these ecosystems, it's operating on its home turf. The answers are clearer, the steps are clearer, the code just works more often. Push the AI into bleeding edge tech and you'll get hallucinations, you'll get missing steps, or you get strange patterns that don't match reality. It's a bit like asking someone for directions in a city they've only visited once. They'll do their best, they'll sound confident perhaps, and they'll still send you in the wrong way. If you want the best results, stick to well-established tech, the so-called boring tech. You don't get style points for picking a framework that came out last week. You don't get results by choosing the tech that is so new no one knows how to use it. You get the results by choosing the tech the AI has already seen, it already understands because it's in its training data. It's good advice on picking tech for humans too. There's more and better documentation, the wrinkles have been ironed out, and the bugs found and fixed. So here's what I suggest you do. Pick a language or framework that's been around for a few years. Tell the AI the exact version, toolchain, and ecosystem you will be using. Be explicit about your constraints, whether that's standards, libraries, or architecture decisions. Give the AI a clear map and it becomes a real powerhouse to help you, instead of a liability. So if you want AI to feel like an extra senior engineer on your team, don't chase bleeding edge tech. Lean on the boring, proven tech. That's where the superpowers of AI-assisted coding show up. If you found this useful, hit subscribe, drop me a comment, tell me the most boring tech you love. Bet it's the one that AI performs best on.